Well, hello there and greetings from Recipe Seller. Today we are roasting some potatoes in the oven, and for this dish we need salt, chili flakes, paprika powder, thyme and garlic, and of course those potatoes. And in addition to those we also need some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. But let's start this whole thing by cutting our potatoes into the smaller pieces. And to be specific, we cut these potatoes in those little pieces, like boat-shaped little pieces. So take one potato, cut it in half, and then cut that half into 3 little boat-shaped thingies. Well, you can see it in the video, it's easier to look than listen to my explaining. If it's a little potato, you can cut it in half and then again in half, in 2 pieces. But you get the point, I believe. And if you understood even just a half of what I was trying to tell you, then at this point you should have a nice big pile of these boat-shaped potato pieces. And actually we are using about 1 kilogram of potatoes here. So it's about 35 ounces, I believe. And then let's put them into the baking dish and let's season them well. And then take your baking dish and drop all your potato pieces in there. And we start by putting some extra virgin olive oil in there. We use 1 deciliter of it. It's like 0.4 cups, I believe. If you want super moist roasted potatoes, then you can use like double amount of olive oil. But for seasoning, we use 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder. And next we add some garlic. Of course we add some garlic, because garlic is one of the greatest things you can use in cooking. And we use 1 solo garlic here and we mince it. If you are using garlic cloves, I think you can use like 4 to 6 garlic cloves in here. And of course if you want super garlic flavors here, then just add more and more. Can you even add too much of garlic? I don't know. But after this we will mix it and mix it well, because you need to get all the flavors and olive oil hit every spot of those potato pieces. And this is about what it looks like at this point, right before it goes into the oven. So mix it evenly and you are ready. We are using oven temperature 225 Celsius. It's about 425 Fahrenheit, and we keep it first 30 minutes in the oven. Then we take it off from the oven, and at this point we are halfway through the cooking. So at this point we need to mix those well so they will cook evenly all over the baking dish. I mean all of those potato pieces cooks evenly. Well, you get the point. So just mix them well. And if you like, you can test these potatoes at this point with the fork. And if it feels like a bit hard still from inside, then it's not ready. As these are not ready. These need some 30 minutes of more oven time. And here, ladies and gentlemen, you can see a baking dish in the oven. I'm actually getting a lot of feedback of this pronouncing oven. I think it's like oven or something, but I'm never learning it. I always say oven. Somehow it just fits for me. Well, at this point we have kept it like 60 minutes in the oven, and this is the result. These are pretty good, a little crunchy on the surface, but soft from the inside. A great side dish for beef, pork, chicken or anything like that. And actually by half accident I came up with a great sauce for this. I will show it you soon. But here you are, the end result, roasted delicious potatoes. And a reminder that the olive oil mixture in the bottom of the baking dish is super delicious, so you can drop it down on top of the potatoes. And if you want more of that, you can just add more of that olive oil in the beginning of this process. But then, here you see It's a little bit crispy on the surface, but soft from the inside. Ridiculously good and delicious. And then the sauce that I was talking about. Previous day I had made a mixture of natural Greek yogurt, some honey and some squeezed lemon juice, and I just wanted to try it, how it works with these potatoes. And oh my, the combination is amazing. You should try it also. And apparently cameraman me went nuts with the flavors we are experiencing here. But hey, thanks for watching this video and let's see you in the next one.